Breaking news coming in India Today's Access, an alleged audio clip of Navneet Kalra where he can be heard making a sales pitch for oxygen concentrators when the entire city is gasping for breath. These are virus vultures who are trying to sell oxygen concentrators in black marketing price, and this is an alleged audio clip of Navneet Kalra. Listen in.
I have 2 lakh calls to attend, so I won't be able to answer each and everybody's personal questions. मैंने सारी डिटेल आपको सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी मैसेज में भेजी हुई है, कौन सा मॉडल है, क्या है। एक मशीन पर पर्सन मैं खान मार्केट वालों को दे सकता हूं उनके घर की यूज़ के लिए, और अगर किसी को भी चाहिए तो पेमेंट डिटेल्स मेरे पास मैक्सिमम 3 बजे तक भेज देंगे तो वो मशीन ब्लॉक होंगी। 3 बजे के बाद मेरी मशीन सारी ख़त्म हो रही हैं तो मैं खान मार्केट फ्रेंड्स को भी नहीं अलॉट कर पाऊंगा। सो प्लीज़ हेयर दिस मैसेज एंड don't send me calls or forwards because I have too much pressure on me.
And I just want to tell our viewers that the same man at the moment is at large. He's absconding. He is the one along with his colleagues who are indulging in the oxygen racket that the Delhi police has busted. An investigation is underway. It is the biggest haul of oxygen concentrators recovered from Khan Market and Lodi Colony. The London link has also emerged in the black marketing of oxygen concentrators in Delhi. In fact, Gagan Duggal, who is the owner of Matrix Cellular Services in London, has been identified as an alleged mastermind of this entire nexus. Navneet Kalra at the moment is absconding. He is at large. Munish Pandey is joining us for all the very latest details. Munish, there's no better way to describe these COVID predators than being virus vultures when the entire country is gasping for breath and oxygen. Instead of helping them out through their connections, they're using their connections to indulge in black marketing sales of oxygen concentrators and hoarding these concentrators and trying to sell them at unearthly prices that the common man just cannot afford. What are the latest details that are emerging out of this investigation of the Delhi police?
Yeah, well, Chaitri, at this point of time, we have been given to understand is that Navneet Kalra and Gagan Duggal is still in London. We have been given to understand he owns Matrix Cellular, and he was the one who was supplying the oxygen concentrators. And since last year October, he has sold thousands of concentrators, which he was getting at the price of 20 to 22,000, but he was selling in Delhi NCR region for almost 70,000 per piece. So it was not only about getting this selling these oxygen concentrators in black market in a price which was much higher than what he has bought for, but also it was hoarding of these oxygen concentrators, because remember, in national capital many people died due to lack of oxygen in hospitals and at their residence. And now at this point of time, the Delhi police believes that this entire scam is worth crores, and at this point of time he is still absconding, and it is expected that he will be filing an anticipatory bail very soon before the court so that he can dodge the arrest. But the crime branch sources have told him that today that they have gone all out to arrest him.
I just have one more question for you, Munish. Just stay on with us. Let us also play this clip out for our viewers once again. We have accessed an alleged audio clip of Navneet Kalra where he can be heard making a sales pitch for oxygen concentrators. Listen in once again.
I have 2 lakh calls to attend, so I won't be able to answer each and everybody's personal questions. मैंने सारी डिटेल आपको सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी मैसेज में भेजी हुई है, कौन सा मॉडल है, क्या है। एक मशीन पर पर्सन मैं खान मार्केट वालों को दे सकता हूं उनके घर की यूज़ के लिए, और अगर किसी को भी चाहिए तो पेमेंट डिटेल्स मेरे पास मैक्सिमम 3 बजे तक भेज देंगे तो वो मशीन ब्लॉक होंगी। 3 बजे के बाद मेरी मशीन सारी ख़त्म हो रही हैं तो मैं खान मार्केट फ्रेंड्स को भी नहीं अलॉट कर पाऊंगा। सो प्लीज़ हेयर दिस मैसेज एंड don't send me calls or forwards because I have too much pressure on me.
Munish, I have a very practical question to ask on the back of this particular raid that the Delhi police has made. All these oxygen concentrators that these guys were hoarding have been confiscated by the Delhi police. What does the Delhi police plan to do with these concentrators? Because remember, not just the state, the entire country is in need of them right now.
Yeah, well, Chaitri, in the past, what we have seen is that whenever oxygen cylinders or even for that matter, injections and medicines which have been recovered by the Delhi police, what they have done is that they have gone to the port and then it has been given to the hospitals, because at this point of time, according to procedure, it should be in the custody of police. But what police is doing is that they are giving to the hospitals and the government so that someone's life can be saved. So in this matter also, sources are telling us that they will be again contacting the central government and also to the hospitals, and whoever is in need of these oxygen concentrators, that will be given to them.
Fantastic. All right. Thank you, Manish, for joining us for the very latest details. We're getting more breaking news coming in at this point of time.